Want to know how to detect connection using Java? Well, if you want your code to detect if you have internet connection in Java, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we have a code right here where we create a URL object pointing to google.com. So we have this new URL created that points to www.google.com. So we use it by using HTTP URL connection. So right here you can see below this code as well. So once that is done, we set a timeout of 3 seconds. So after setting a timeout of 3 seconds, we connect and then check the response code. If it returns 200, that means you're connected. Otherwise, it prints that there is no internet connection. This method is simple, effective, and works great for small online projects or network checks. And that's it. So you can also try changing the URL to other websites or test in your own connection sources. And that's it. This is how you detect an active internet connection in Java. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.